Hello traders, Marcelo Torres with TradeWater with one more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin. Bitcoin was is in a day of deciding itself yesterday, right? As I said on my analysis that I'm sorry that I didn't post for you guys in English, and actually I didn't even do it in Portuguese. But it was in a decision point on Thursday, actually on Tuesday. And here we are now. It just went down with the whole market. And since we had a certain move here, it is coming back, and I'll explain you guys where and why. Okay, first of all, reminding you guys that this analysis is already available on all TradeWiser social networks, and you can hear the analysis on any podcast as well. Please follow me. I appreciate when you guys support me that way. I see that you guys are interested in getting all my analysis updated as soon as I release it. And if this analysis is good for you, just like it and I'll love it. Okay. And don't forget to share it with your friends. Here we go. My disclaimer said that this analysis is just an educational analysis, it's not a financial advice. Okay. Here we go then. We are at the level 43, and yesterday we were at 44. But we saw that the Bitcoin was kind of in a risk to going down since the market was way happy and then ended less happier than the beginning of the day on the traditional stock market. All right. As you guys know, the stock market do have influence over the Bitcoin market. That is for sure. As you can see it today, the traditional market went down, and here Bitcoin goes down. Looking at its chart for the fear and greed index, we can see that it moved sideways once more. Okay, so and that is also happening on all main indexes for the traditional market. That is going on for Dow Jones, Nasdaq, SP 500, Ibovespa from Brazil, and also for petroleum and dollar with reais, which is a Brazilian currency. Today, the dollar is getting stronger against all other business partners currency. Okay, moving forward, here we have the whole cryptocurrency scenario, and it is red. It is negative, and I'll show you guys some more of these details. Here we go. We have only 154 pairs positive against 652 pairs on Binance, on the balance that I do with the Binance pairs. Okay, so it looks like the opportunities are on the short side, but I will tell you guys that it looks to me that it is starting to move to the positive side. Let's see what we have here so far. I'm going to show you guys how I find out some good opportunities. I did this with the Brazilian guys, and I'm going to do this with you guys. Right now, I like to trade with USDT. Right now, we have a ADA, which is Cardano. It is going down. We already have 4.52. It didn't move a lot since the Portuguese version. So let's go for Cardano and see how it looks like. Here you go, daily chart. See that it is moving inside the overbought zone, and it is going down on the daily chart for the relative strength index, but it is stuck inside a sideways move. So we kind of have like a channel going on right here. Let me draw it for you guys, and then we can see how it is gonna move on. Here we go, and here we go. Let's put it with the line. All right. See, we have this channel going on right now. This is how Cardano is moving. It already tested the bottom side of the channel, and now it is going up. The question is, will it go down still today to make more money? Not sure, but we still have signs that it is negative. But we have the stochastics in doubt because of the yellow bar on the right side of the indicator. As well, we do see that on the stochastic. Earlier, it was a red sign, a red bar on stochastic saying that it was going to go down. And actually, check this out. I didn't see this on the Portuguese version. That's why it's bad, but it's also good to have uh, after the Portuguese and English because I always see something else. Check this out. We do have divergencies going on with relative strength index stochastic over the prices. Here we go. See? So it means that it is going down. The question is this correction that we are seeing today, right now, is the answer for the divergency and then we're done? Or is there more to come? Okay, so let's keep an eye here to see how things are going. When we look at a traditional market, we see that everything wants to go down, but it just doesn't go down. It is moving sideways. So this thing is happening also on Bitcoin, and this is a true proof that Bitcoin runs together with the traditional market. All right. But we have divergencies here. And earlier today, we did have some opportunities. Let's say that it goes down from where it is right now. It can go like 4% down. So not bad to make some money. That is how I figure out some opportunities. Let's see another opportunity here. Let's see what's the next one in our list. The Quantum QTUM. QTUM USDT. Here we go. Let's see how it looks. There you go. It is also saying I want to go down, and it has the same shape of the Cardano, as you guys can see here. Okay, but we have more doubts going on this chart. So let's see how far these moves are going to go. But it looks to me that the the cryptocurrency, at least now at noon, which is Brazil time, UTC -3, it looked like it wants to go for some correction. Okay, so let's see on the positive side how many good stuff we have there. We only have two with the dollar. Okay, and it's saying that it is going up. See, we have a third one right here right now. Let's see this LBC, how it looks like. LBC USDT. Here we go. It's Beatrix. See, look it. It is totally going up. We have all signs going up. All right. We only have to see the pivot volume wave pivot saying that it is going totally up. Right now it is not showing that on a complete sign, but it's okay, we're moving on. This is just a new coin, so let's watch out. And it looks like it wants to go up. At least it just went up today. How much? Let's see. It 13%. Ooh, whoa, that is good. That is good. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is easy to find opportunities. All right. It is easy. 9% right now. It just went down a little bit. So I think the market is going to keep on the shake, shake, shake thing to figure out where it is going to move. But let's go back to BTC. Here we are with the BTC. And as I said earlier on the Portuguese version, it wants to go up, and it did go up from the time that I said that, and now it just went up 0.7%. Not a big deal. What I want to show you guys on this 1 hour chart, let me just close a little bit here. As you guys can see, the Bitcoin is moving on the upper half side of this um, uh, lower channel here, the downtrend channel. Okay, so looks for now that it wants to go up from where it is. It could go up something like, right, it's going to have to hit like a 0.9%, $81, and it's going to have to check the resistance line. If it does go through, and it's like I say, if I'm close, why not visit the other half, the other extreme, and it has like a 1% to go up almost $100. So we can make some spread here without a big deal. And we have lots of signs saying I am going up, which makes me believe that the market wants to go up. But remind you guys, we are on the 1 hour chart. This is 48 bars. So right now we are at noon Brazil time, which means we have 9 hours to go. Okay, 9 hours to go, 18 bars. Just that. Moving forward, here we are on the 4 hour chart, which is the most important one. It tested the support line at 90.56 and it came back. I was expecting it to come down to something like 89.80, and I was willing to put a buy position right here, but it wants to go up. So I'm guessing if it's going to just go down and up again or not, right? Regarding this upper trend channel, I'm just going to delete it because it just lost that channel. And let's see how it's going to move with this black uptrend line. It is going against the diamond figure, which you guys can see here in black lines here. So I'm asking myself if this figure was just, it's just out of date. It's not usual anymore. But anyway, let's keep it like this just to see how things are gonna go on with this figure. Okay, because sometimes BTC likes to go in the opposite direction, then boom, it comes back and it accomplished the figure path. So um, I rather see what is going to go on from now on. It is still going down. We still have sign for BTC on 4 hour chart, which is the most important one for us. It is still going down, but we can see that the relative strength index is willing to say, yes, let's start going back up. We do have some indications on the bottom of these of the money pressure wave saying that it wants to go up, but we still didn't see a green sign here, and we have other indicators saying that it might reverse the bottom. We still don't see it, so we have to keep a keen eye on the 1 hour chart today and ongoing with this uptrend progress. We go for the 4 hour to see if everything changes. If it does, okay, then we are in an uptrend. We are in a reversal path, and let's see how it is gonna go on. All right. So far, let's see what we have here on the daily chart. It is holding on to this blue uptrend line, which is very nice, very neat, and that's what we want to see. So hopefully it will stay inside this channel. Okay, this is what I expect to see. Otherwise, Houston, we will have a problem. Okay, we don't want to see it going further down. Quickly on the weekly chart, it is going sideways. It is a mix of signals here. It has no idea where it wants to go. And on the monthly chart as well. Okay, so the big deal today is this one right here, the 1 hour chart and the 4 hour chart for us to keep eyes on. All right, that's it, folks. Thank you very much. Sorry again for missing you guys yesterday on the BTC video analysis, but here we are. All right, that's it, folks. Thank you very much. Now it is showtime. Take care.